let's see how we are going to tell our kids. So here I have written the definition of noun, that is noun is name of a person, place, animal or thing. And here is the proper noun, that is proper noun is a specific name of a person, place, animal or thing. And proper noun, it begins with a capital letter as compared to a common noun. It do not begin with capital letter unless they are the first word in a sentence. Now over here I have taken few example in each category. Now either you can draw the pictures or you can paste them. Now some I have drawn and some I have pasted from her old book. So in person we have like a girl. Over here girl is a common noun. So that girl is my friend. But when we say Tina is my friend, that is the name of the girl, then Tina becomes the proper noun. Similarly, this is boy, but boy is common noun. When we say this is Pavan, so Pavan becomes the proper noun. I have taken the example of a doctor and a teacher, but when we say their names, that is this is Dr. Roy, so Roy becomes proper noun, and teacher's name is Miss Chase, so Chase becomes the proper noun. Now coming to the place, here this is my school, so school is a common noun, but when we tell the name of the school, that is I study in Blossom School, so Blossom is the proper noun. Similarly, I stay in a city, but when we say I stay in Mumbai, then Mumbai becomes a proper noun. Then this is the ocean, but we don't know which ocean, so ocean is a common noun. It is a name of a place, but when we specify it saying this is Pacific Ocean, then Pacific becomes the proper noun. Then coming to animals, animals like hen, cat, dog, fish, zebra, lion, tiger, all are nouns. When we name the animals, especially the pet animals, then that name becomes the proper noun. Like this is the hen, but I have named it Reddy, so Reddy becomes the proper noun. Then this is a cat. Name of my cat is Mau, then Mau is a proper noun. Then this is a dog. The name of the dog is Bruno, so Bruno is proper noun and dog is the common noun. Then this is the fish, fish is common noun, and Goldie, that is the name of the fish, that becomes the proper noun. Coming to things, I have taken 4 things like chocolate. I love chocolate, but we don't know exactly which chocolate, so chocolate is a common noun. But when I say I love pork, then pork becomes the proper noun. When I say I have a television, so television becomes a common noun. But when I say Sony, that is name of the television, then Sony is the proper noun. Similarly, I love my doll, so doll is a common noun. But when I say I love Sweetie, that is the name of the doll, then Sweetie becomes proper noun. Similarly, over here there is jam bottle and the name of the jam bottle, that is Kisan Jam, then Kisan becomes the proper noun. So this was about the common noun and proper noun. Do let me know in the comment box about the project. If you like the video, give a thumbs up, do share the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such videos. Till then, this is Amrapali signing out. Happy learning nouns and happy growing up with your loved ones.